Okay, I'm gonna try to open this. I don't know. See? Something. I don't want to say that I... Oh. Okay, yeah, this is impossible to get out. So...